Looking to build or improve your credit score in 2025? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 credit cards that can help you boost your score. From the best starter cards to top-tier options, let's find the right card for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Alright, starting off at number 5, we have the Chase Freedom Student Credit Card. If you're a student looking to build credit, this is a fantastic option. It offers 1% cashback on every purchase, and students can earn a $50 bonus after making their first purchase in the first 3 months. Plus, with no annual fee, it's a great way to start your credit journey without the extra cost. Coming in at number 4 is the Open Sky Secured Visa Credit Card. This is another secured card, meaning you'll need to make a deposit. What's great about the Open Sky card is that it doesn't require a credit check during the application process, which can make it easier for those with limited or damaged credit. It offers fixed interest rates, and after consistently paying on time, you can eventually upgrade to an unsecured card. At number 3, we have the Pedal Tube Cashback No Fees Visa Credit Card. What makes this card unique is its cash flow underwriting, meaning they look at your income and expenses, not just your credit score, to approve you. It's perfect for those who don't have an established credit history. Plus, it offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases, with no annual fees, no late fees, and no foreign transaction fees. It's definitely one of the top picks for newcomers. Moving up the list, at number 2, we have the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. This is a fantastic option if you're just starting to build your credit. It has no annual fee and the opportunity for a credit limit increase after making just 5 monthly payments on time. While it doesn't offer rewards, it's an excellent choice for those looking to build a solid credit history with low costs. Before we continue, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more personal finance tips. And finally, at number 1, the Discover It Secured Credit Card. This card is hands down one of the best for building credit in 2025. It's a secured card, which means you'll need to make a deposit, but the rewards and benefits more than make up for it. First, you'll earn 1% cashback on all purchases and up to 5% cashback in rotating categories. Even better, Discover will match all the cashback you earn at the end of your first year. Plus, with no annual fee and access to your free FICO score, it's a top choice for anyone looking to build their credit while earning rewards. It's the perfect blend of value and credit building power. So, let's quickly recap the top 5 cards for building your credit score in 2025. On number 5, Chase Freedom Student Credit Card, a great starter for students. Number 4 is the Open Sky Secured Visa No Credit Check for Application, perfect for those rebuilding. Number 3 is the Pedal Tube Cashback, great for those with no credit history, offering cashback and no fees. On number 2 we have the Capital One Platinum Credit Card, a simple, low-cost option with the potential for credit limit increases. And finally, our top pick for the best credit cards list for 2025 is the Discover It Secured Credit Card, the ultimate choice for rewards, with no annual fees, and great credit building power. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you, and let's start building your credit score today.